Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kalyani Deshpande. I am an eye doctor. Did you know that 1/3 Indians have to wear glasses to be able to see clearly? So why is it that some people need glasses to be able to see whereas some people see absolutely fine without them? The human eye is spherical in shape, that is, it is shaped like a ball. So what we actually see is just the front 1/6 of the eye. The rest of the eye behind is actually not seen. This diagram here is a side profile of the human eye showing what the eye actually contains. Imagine we are looking at a flower placed in front of the eye. So when we look at the flower, light from the flower is bent by the eye and it focuses on a point exactly on the center of the retina, that is the back of the eye. And that is how we see a very clear image, because it reaches a sharp point on the retina. Now for whatever reason, if this does not happen, especially when the eye is shaped differently, the light is focused at a point somewhere in front or behind the retina. So what the retina actually receives is a very blurry version of this object, whereas the sharp point is focused in front of the retina. That is when you have to wear glasses. Thank you very much.